What's up, Fabrication Nation? It's contest time. So as you know, WD-40's been supporting the channel on videos just like this. We're the doers, we're the makers, we're the builders. Now it's your chance. WD-40's got a contest for you. WD-40's been alongside doers just like us for over 65 years. So here's the details. Super easy to enter. All you have to do is create a 10 to 60 second video showing how you live life hands-on with any one or multiple WD-40 products. There will be one first prize winner winning $5,000, 5 second place winners winning $2,000 apiece, and 10 third place winners winning some good WD-40 swag. I mean, come on now, everybody wants some swag. You'll also be automatically entered to be featured in the upcoming WD-40 holiday video campaign. Automatically. Am I eligible to enter this? No? Alright. Alright guys, there you go. Easy way to win some extra cash. Just head over to WD-40.com/contest to enter. I expect all of you to do so. It's part of the do work, son. Do you even live life hands-on, bro? All kidding aside, this is a great opportunity for you guys. I suggest you at least go check it out. WD-40.com/contest. You're welcome.